Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix battery draining issue iOS 17.0.2. So after update, first of all I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution, you have reboot your iPhone if your iOS device's battery is draining fast after you update to the iOS 17 version. Instead of trying other fixes, the first thing to do is to reboot your device. Sometimes the system takes some time to adapt to the settings and features of the new iOS firmware, so it drains more battery to maintain device usability. So then you have a second solution, you have force restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button. So then you have press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart. So if a simple device report does not fix the battery draining problem, try a force restart. To refresh your iOS device, here are steps to fix iPhone battery draining. First, iOS 17 update with a force restart. Then third solution, you have turn on low power mode use. So then most users do not know about the low power mode and how it helps save their iPhone battery life. It is a battery saving mode for iOS device. You can easily activate it calling Siri and saying active low power mode. In case that does not work, follow these steps to do it yourself. So you have open the setting and then you have scroll up, then you have click on battery. So then turn on low power mode. Then fourth solution, you have reset all setting. The iOS 17 battery drain issue can also occur due to other reasons such as poorly the settings remain the same as the were of the previous iOS version. To fix it, you can simply reset all settings. So you have again open the setting, click on control, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, scroll up, then you have click on reset all setting. iPhone given a password, then you have enter a password. Do not lose any data on your iPhone or reset setting. Last solution, you have turn off background app refresh. So you have again open the setting, click on general, click on background app refresh. So then you have turn off first, then you have facing this issue. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.